Hi guys.
White ones on the island, guys, those are the snowy egrets. When you see the white one up, so you see a gray, kind of skinny gray one. Together with the white ones, those would be the tricolor heron. Right? And there's a larger white one to those. The larger white one is the great egret. These are the snowy egrets, and they have the larger white one for the great egret. So thank you again, guys, and everyone enjoy the rest of your evening.
Alright.
Guys, look at the scarlet ibis, and among them is the egrets. They're now starting to come in to nest. Night is approaching, and they are flying in now. Isn't it just amazing to see that they go every day on a daily basis to return to their respective area where they sleep?
I'm gonna roll up the plastic, guys. I don't think the rain should come back.
Hope you enjoyed touring with me at Nanan's store at the bird sanctuary, guys. We are capturing the scarlet ibis. We did see a snake iguana, some other birds, well, a lot of these fishes here, catfishes.
Some young scarlet ibis coming from behind. What? A couple young ones overhead. Young ones to the right.
Hope you like what you see. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.